Hello, family, friends, community. I'm at the airport getting ready to go visit my mom. The airport is not too busy. Here we go.
Maybe you can meet me halfway.
Okay. Yo.
Hi there.
Hi.
You going to Chicago,
I'm saying,
right?
yeah,
All right, ma'am. Do you have your boarding pass?
yes. Here it is.
Yeah, that right there.
What?
Is it that one right there? with the highlight? Let me
Okay,
see.
yeah, that's it.
Cool, got it. Thank
Okay, okay.
you. Oh, you have this handsome young gentleman to help you down. A lot better than me, huh?
Oh, okay.
I'll get you over this bump and he's gonna help you out, all right?
Thank you very much.
I will
Watch out
take
for this
over.
right there. Okay, there you go.
Bye.
Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Back here. Are you going home?
No, I'm going to visit my mom.
Okay, well, good.
Yeah.
Is she in Chicago, or how far do you have to go once you get there?
Detroit.
Okay. This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
You
you.
want me to take it back, or you good?
I got it.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay. Oh, that was fun riding. Yeah, I shouldn't be so clumsy.
How are you, honey?
Hi. Do I take 50, 55, 855?
You may sit anywhere except for in this
Okay.
little section right now, not that seat and not these.
Okay.
All right, that's